National Weather Service in Morristown has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Loudoun County, east central Roane County, until 5:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:31 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Kingston, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Lenore City, Kingston, Loudoun, Bradbury, and Teletow Village. This includes the following highways: Interstate 40 in Tennessee between mile markers 356 and 361. Interstate 75 in Tennessee between mile markers 75 and 83. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is No Weather Radio, the voice